See now volume related question. Say suppose for a cylinder, if volume is given, say for a cylinder, so volume is given as 900 cubic centimeter, so with radius 7. And now what will be volume of a cone with same radius and height? So now equating this pi r square. So what is volume of a cylinder? It is pi r square h. So equating this to 900. So and substituting for r, we can find this height. So after finding this height, we can find volume of the cone. But instead of doing all this, so whenever volume of a cylinder is given and volume of a cone is asked which has same radius and height, now what will be the answer? So it is 1/3 the volume of a cylinder. So volume of a cylinder is pi r square h. And what is volume of a cone? It is 1/3 pi r square h. So if this is 900, answer volume of a cone will be 1/3 of 900, 300 is the answer. So for this type of question, just check with the formulas and see how you can simplify the questions with the formula itself. So here no need to do any working. So 900 if it is volume of the cylinder, cone will be 1/3 of the volume. So it is 300 cubic centimeter. And now we will be getting questions in volume of spheres and all. So lead shot, volume of a lead shot will be needed. So 2 or 3 lead shots, so which is spherical in shape, so melted to form a single sphere. So there we need to know volume of a sphere also. Now we'll see what is the formula for volume of a sphere. So sphere is a 3-dimensional one. So with the given radius r. Now what is volume of a sphere? That is 4/3 pi r cube, cubic units. Suppose, so if we need to form a volume, if we are asked to form volume of a hemisphere, so now what will be volume of a hemisphere? So it will be half of this 4/3 pi r cube. So for a hemisphere, so volume it is 2/3 pi r cube, cubic units. So the question is related to sphere or hemisphere. So we can use the formula for a sphere 4/3 pi r cube, and for a hemisphere it is 2/3 pi r cube. So according to the question, so we can use volume formulas and work out. And now we'll see what is CSA, LSA and TSA. So what is CSA? It is curved surface area. And what is LSA? It is lateral surface area. And TSA is total surface area. So what is, so we'll see what is LSA or CSA is. So LSA and CSA means the same area. So if it is a cylinder, so the area outside or inside this given shape is the curved surface area. So it is, so we'll write this as CSA. So curved surface area or CSA. So if we include this tops, so then it is total surface area, and we'll see that after the CSA concepts. So cylinder is curved surface area. Suppose if it is a cube, so where the vertex are sharp, so then the outer surface area is called as lateral surface area or LSA. So if the sides are curved, so then it is termed as curved surface area. So for a cuboid, we name it as, we call it as lateral surface area. And we'll be getting questions related to the CSA and LSA, CSA and TSA, and how to find where to use TSA concepts and curved surface area concepts. So for that I'll give you a simple example. Suppose you are asked to paint a pillar, cylindrical pillar, for this, so which area we'll find? Is it CSA or TSA? So for a pillar, so the top is in the ceiling and the bottom is in the floor, so only the curved surface area is needed. So for the type of question where only the outer surface area, not the top and bottom are required, so we'll find the curved surface area. Suppose if it is a cylindrical tin, and if we need to paint this, so then we need the area of the top and the bottom also. So then we will find the total surface area of the cylinder. So where only the outer, excluding the top and bottom is needed, we'll find curved surface area or lateral surface area for a cube or cuboid. And where both the top and bottom, both the areas, all sides are included, we find the total surface area. And we'll see formulas for LSA and TSA for a cube, cuboid, and curved surface area for cone and cylinders. So lateral surface area of a cube. So what is the lateral surface area for a cube? A cube is a one which is formed on a square. So excluding the top and bottom, we need the areas for lateral surface area. So how many sides are there? So area is a square. We have 4 sides around, so it is 4a square. So LSA for a cube is 4a square, and this is square units. For volume it is cubic unit. So LSA and TSA are 2-dimensional one, and unit is square units. And what will be LSA for a cuboid? So we'll discuss here TSA also. So for a cube, lateral surface area is 4 square, and if total surface area is required, so how many sides are there? All the sides are included, the top and bottom, and the areas on the sides also. Total there are 6 sides, so area is 6a square. 6a square, square units. Say suppose there is a cube, so volume of the cube is given as say 400. So if you are joining 2 cubes, so volume of 1 cube is 400. So you are joining 2 such cubes of volume 400. Now what will be volume of the cube formed? So you are joining 2 cubes of same volume, so you will get a cuboid. Now what is the volume of the cuboid? We'll add this, we'll get the total volume as 800. So volume of the cuboid is 800. See suppose we are joining a cube whose side is A. And what is total surface area of the cube? It is 6a square. So cube of side A, total surface area is 6a square. So when you join 2 such cubes of the same side A, and what will be total surface area of the cuboid form? So total surface area of 1 cube is 6a square. If 2 cubes are joined, so answer is 12a square. So is it correct? So when volume is given, so if it is asked, we can double. So when 2 cubes join, when volume of a cuboid is asked, so we can add that both or multiply it with 2 or double it, we get volume of a cuboid. But whereas, so in this total surface area, they ask question, say total surface area is given as 6a square. If 2 such cubes are joined, what will be total surface area of a cuboid? So there, so don't write as 12a square. So because 2 sides are joined and it is inside the cuboid. So now in this 12a square, 2 sides are not there. So total surface area when 2 cubes are joined, it is equal to 10a square. So this is TSA of 2 cubes when joined. So be careful that. So for volume we can divide it or multiply it with 2. So when total surface area for a cuboid is asked, it is 10a square and it is not 12a square. So you understood the concept.